Note that controlling speed is not prime importance in the regenerative braking and it's not required, but as you ask, let's discuss about it. So in regenerative braking, the input to the motor is the mechanical. When it is in down gradient, then only we can maintain the speed, not control. So let's discuss in case of electric vehicle application, when your vehicle is running and when it stops, so mechanical input becomes 0 and there will be the retardation period, and like exponentially speed will be reduced like this. So what we can do with the regenerative braking, we can reduce this time period. So with the electric braking, regenerative braking, it will exponentially reduce the speed like this. So in this case, when vehicle is not in down gradient, we can only reduce this time, and this slope will be depend upon the current. So it is not about the controlling the speed, but controlling this slope. So higher current and less current. So we can control the current that will be load to the motor. It will act as a generator and your current will act as a load. So higher current and less current will result in this. So in case your vehicle is in down gradient, which is moving due to the gravitational force, so your mechanical input is there. So continuous mechanical input is there. So in this case, what will happen? Your vehicle speed might be remain constant or it might be increase exponentially due to this gravitational force. So in this case, you can maintain the speed with the help of regenerative braking. It's possible with the fuzzy logic. So in this case only, you can maintain the speed by controlling the current values. Higher the current, the force will be high, and that means more braking force, and likewise taking the speed feedback, you can control and govern the speed. And in this case, your block diagram for the fuzzy logic will be your input, you have controlled quantity, and your output will be again PWM, but logic will be reverse. Higher current will result in less speed. That is opposite to the motor operation. Higher current tends to higher speed. Here higher current will result in less speed. So this is how, this is speed, this is your current, and output is PWM control. So this is how you can apply the fuzzy logic. Otherwise, note that in case of generator, speed is actually governed by the controlling the mechanical input, not the current. Here we are controlling with the current in the regenerative braking. So in case of generating, in case of generator, when motor is acting as a generator, we are controlling the speed by controlling this mechanical input. Here case is different. So hope you got the idea about using the fuzzy logic during regenerative braking, and only in this case we can control it.